Part 2 of verb tense workout for beginners. Please choose the correct verb tense for each sentence. Number 12. We run every morning. Every morning we run. Please repeat. Number 13. Diana loves her baby. Always. Diana always loves her baby. Please repeat. Number 14. You need money. Last week. Last week, you needed money. Please repeat. Number 15. The cat wants the bird. Now. Now, the cat wants the bird. Please repeat. Number 16. James and Ben like to play soccer. Every weekend. Every weekend, James and Ben like to play soccer. Number 17. They do not play soccer next weekend. Next weekend, they will not play soccer. Number 18. Courtney talks to her mother. Yesterday afternoon. Yesterday afternoon, Courtney talked to her mother. Number 19. She has her birthday party on June 7th. Every year. Every year, she has her birthday party on June 7th. Number 20. I have a car. Yesterday. Yesterday, I had a car. Number 21. I do not have a car today. Today, I do not have a car. Number 22. I sell my car this morning. This morning, I sold my car.